Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing product demonstration. Checking out this Lokubation Rayon men's Hawaiian shirt here. All right, so these come in a bunch of different patterns, and got this nice all rights reserved. Nice folding job here. Looks fairly, all these little clips on here. All right. Well, that looks pretty nice. This is a medium-sized here. And, all right, well, here it is. Seems, nice and comfortable, actually. I like this, the length. It's like perfect size. I don't really, most of the time I just wear a t-shirt and I don't button these up. You can button these up if you want to. Seems like fits really nice, actually. It's got a lot of movability. It's cool. It doesn't feel like all hot or whatever. Rayon is a nice sustainable product that made from usually like different natural products. So it's breathable, it's lightweight, it's durable, and all that stuff. I like the pattern here, it looks kind of cool. Yeah, it's got a lot of room, you know, just a comfortable shirt. I think it looks decent, you know. So whether you want to just leave it like this or you can button it up, feels the fit. I ordered a medium, and this is basically, I mean, seems pretty nice fit to me. So yeah, pretty sweet shirt here. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.